so last thing we have to do is, well, I guess that's, last thing before we cook. Specifically Martin's, cut our potato buns, or wait. Hey everyone, I'm Sav and this is Lagom Eats. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make Shackburgers from Shake Shack. These are super simple but absolutely classic. Let's take a look at the ingredients. For the sauce, we're going to be using half a cup of mayo, a 1/4 teaspoon of pickling brine, 1 tablespoon of Dijon mustard, 3/4 teaspoon of ketchup, and a pinch of cayenne. For the burgers, we'll be using half a pound of ground beef, seasoning it with salt and pepper. Then we'll use my homemade potato buns, some lettuce, slices of tomato, and American cheese. Let's get cooking. Let's start by making our sauce. We're gonna take half a cup of our mayo. Now this is the recipe that Shake Shack released for their sauce. However, they do say it is not the actual sauce recipe. It's a little bit different and more kind of simplified, I guess, for home cooking. So it's not perfect, but it's pretty darn good. All right, so half a cup. We're gonna use a tablespoon of Dijon mustard. And what's great about this sauce is you probably have all these condiments already in your fridge, so no need to buy anything. 3/4 teaspoon of ketchup. And then we're gonna use a 1/4 teaspoon of our dill pickle juice. So not the actual pickles, just the juice, or the brine. Not very much. And then just a pinch of cayenne. All right, let's give that a mix. All right, we're gonna set this aside for when we're assembling our burgers. All right, so we're gonna roll our burgers. This is half a pound of ground beef. Each patty, we're gonna make 2 burgers here, so each patty is gonna be a 1/4 pound. We'll split it in about half. So, and we're not rolling these out into normal patties that you think of. They do a technique where they smash the patty down onto the skillet when they're cooking them, which of course I'll show you later. But so we're just gonna keep them into balls like this for right now. All right, so now we're going to cut our buns. So these are my homemade potato buns. Shake Shack uses potato buns because they are really like soft and pillowy, but they hold all those juices of the burgers really well without getting soggy. They specifically use a brand called Martin's. Now, apparently you can buy these in store. I've never seen them, but I like to make my homemade potato buns. They're amazing. Check them out. They're super easy and absolutely incredible. Cut them using a bread knife. All right, we're gonna toast our bun. So we'll turn on our stove to about like medium. We're gonna use a little bit of butter to toast the buns. So we'll put that on and let it melt. All right, butter is melted. Let's go ahead and toast our buns. So we'll put them cut side down. We'll get them all nice and crispy. The bun is really soft, so it's nice to have that little crunch. All right, I wiped out some of the butter because it's gonna burn, and we're gonna pour a little bit of the canola oil. Let that heat up before we add our burgers. All right, so we're gonna put a little bit of salt and pepper on one side of this burger. All right, and now we're gonna put that cut side down. We're gonna smash it on top using another spoon, just smash it all the way down. This is gonna get a crispy, crispy crust. Now we're gonna season the other side of that. All right, let's flip it. Ready? Now we're gonna put our cheese on there so it can melt. While that's cooking, let's start assembling our burger. So we're gonna take our sauce, we're gonna put a little bit on the bottom, take your lettuce down, and we're gonna take 2 slices of tomato. We'll put a little bit more of this sauce on the top. All right, let's take off our burger, put it on there. Yum, it looks so good. All right, let's top it off. All right, let's slice this thing. Yum, so delicious. I love Shake Shack. Love how the crispy edges on the burger, melty cheese. Potato bun is amazing. These would go perfect with some Shake Shack cheese fries and of course an ice cold beer. All right, now I'm gonna make that second one. You wanna make sure you eat these like pretty much right away because the longer it sits, you know, it's kind of like French fries, it's gonna get worse as it sits. So eat these right when they come off the stove. I hope you guys enjoyed learning how to make Shackburgers just like Shake Shack. The full recipe can be found on my food blog at lagameats.com. I've got new delicious dishes coming out every week, so hit a like and subscribe below. I'll see you guys next time. Hey, dough.